University of Pangasinan PINMA Education Network. Bigger, better, best. Hello everyone, this video was prepared by two best IT students of University of Pangasinan. It contains information about information system, the musical instrument inventory system. One day, Aring Junisha and Pacman have a conversation.
Mami Junisha, do you have any idea about inventory system and how it works?
Let me think. My friend told me that there is a video who tackles about inventory system in YouTube. It was created by the student of the University of Pangasinan. Come with me and we will search the net.
What is inventory system? An inventory system used to keep track of a business products and supplies. What are the features of inventory system? Tracking of remaining inventory. Tracking when new orders should be made. Tracking which are most popular and something to help the business decide what items profitable and which product to. Video about inventory system. In our musical inventory system, it consists of the following forms. One is the login form. In the login form, it is where the cashier, admin, and the owner can log in. Next is the customer transaction form. It is where the cashier can input all the details about the customer and the product they bought. Only the admin and the owner of the business can open the edit items form in the add items form. The edit item form, it is where the owner of the admin can edit the product price and the product name. The add item forms, it is where the owner and the admin can add product to the business. The end user maintenance form, it is where the owner and the cashier can update their accounts by changing their username and their password, as well as in admin maintenance form. The admin can update his account by changing his username. And last is the inventory reports form. It is where the owner or the admin can view the reports or sale. In this report, they can attract products sold in their business. Our inventory system is composing of 4 users group. First is the admin, second is the cashier, third is owner, and lastly the customers. I can give you a scenario. For example, our admin is Mr. Paul Romero. Supposedly, in our musical inventory system, the cashier is Miss Jesica Frias, owner is Miss Beverly Mercado, and the 2 customers are Miss Melanie Calizo and Miss Sherly Ico. In our login form, Miss Jesica Frias, our cashier, will input her username, Frias Jessica, and her password. She is already logged in when she clicks the button OK. And a message box would appear saying successful. After the cashier was logged in the login form, the customer transaction form would show. Miss Frias has already had customers. It is Miss Sherly Ico. So, the cashier Miss Frias would enter the details about Miss Sherly Ico by entering her last name, first name, middle name, and address. Miss Sherly Ico bought a guitar, so we select the guitar. The price of the product would automatically select costing 378 pesos and the quantity is 1, so we type 1. We click add items. As we add, it in our product name list box, product price list box, and the quantity. And she also bought a trumpet. So we select the trumpet. The price would automatically select costing 300 pesos and the quantity is 1. So we type 1. We click add item. So we add it in our product name list box, the product price list box, and the quantity. After the cashier finally input in all the details of the customer and the product she bought, she would click button pay and the total price would appear. And our next customer is Miss Melanie Calizo. So the cashier Miss Frias would click the button new, and then she would enter the details about Miss Melanie Calizo by entering her last name, first name, middle name, and address. Miss Melanie Calizo bought an organ, so we select the organ. The price of the product would automatically select, costing 400 pesos, and the quantity is 1. So we type 1. We click add item. So we add it in our product name, this box, the product list box, and the quantity. And she also bought a guitar, so we select the guitar. The price would automatically select, costing 378 pesos, and the quantity is 1. So we type 1. We click add item. So we add it in our product name, list box, product price, list box, and the quantity. After the cashier finally input all the details of the customer in the product she bought, she would click button pay, and the total price would appear. The owner in the admin can drop all the report sales in the inventory reports form. These are the products bought by Miss Ico. And these are the products bought by Miss Calizo. We hope you've learned a lot by watching the video.
Thank you for watching! Leader, Paul Jan Romero. And the members are Sherly Ico and Jesica Frias, Melanie Calizo, and lastly, Beverly Mercado. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!